Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow calendar access in the Toggl Track application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the calendar section, and then click on the calendar settings button. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And as you can see here, you can further set which calendars you want to enable for. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.